What's up, guys? It's Movie Hoarder here, back for another Halloween type DVD unboxing. Now, this is a family friendly movie. Has to do with a friendly ghost. It's Casper, the friendly ghost, on DVD with the glow in the dark slipcover. So there's a front and the spine, and then the back, and then there's some special features if you want to pause and read that. Okay, but then I also have Alvin and the Chipmunks, Meet the Wolfman with the glow in the dark slipcover as well. So here's the cover art. Okay, so here's the front cover of Casper, the spine, and then the back. And we'll open it up. And then here's the DVD disc. It's plain silver. Yeah, so that was my quick unboxing of Casper the Friendly Ghost, the movie on DVD. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later. Thank you. And also leave me a comment section below, letting me know what's your favorite family type Halloween movie. It could be anyone. It could be from Disney Channel or anyone. Just let me know. Thank you.